Have you ever found yourself stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire, unsure of what to do next? Today, we're going to walk you through the process of replacing that blown tire with your spare, step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the confidence and skills to tackle this common road mishap like a pro. First things first, safety is paramount. Before you begin, ensure that your car is parked on a level surface away from traffic. Turn on your hazard lights and set the parking brake. Gather your tools, a jack, a lug wrench, and of course, your spare tire. Now let's get started. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on the flat tire. You'll want to turn the wrench counterclockwise, just enough to break the resistance. Don't remove them completely just yet. Next, position the jack under the vehicle's jacking point, usually indicated in your car's manual or along the frame of the vehicle. Carefully raise the car until the flat tire is about 6 inches off the ground. With the car safely elevated, go ahead and remove the lug nuts completely. Keep them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Now, gently remove the flat tire by pulling it straight towards you. It's time to mount the spare tire. Align the holes of the spare with the lug bolts and slide it onto the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts onto the bolts to hold the tire in place. Lower the car slowly, but don't put all the weight back onto the tire just yet. Tighten the lug nuts fully in a crisscross pattern to ensure even pressure. Once secure, lower the car completely and remove the jack. Finally, double-check that each lug nut is tight and stow away your tools and the flat tire. Remember, a spare tire is a temporary solution, so make sure to repair or replace your flat tire as soon as possible. Congratulations! You've just changed a tire and taken a big step towards self-sufficiency on the road. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new from this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your loved ones. And if you want to keep mastering new skills every day, make sure to subscribe to our channel, because learning is the future, and the future starts now. Master it now. See you in the next one.